Come and me teach you Patwa now. Hello everyone and welcome to Shan's Patwa Academy, Jamaican Patois Simplified. My name is Shan and I'm from Jamaica. In today's lesson, we will be talking about 15 different ways Jamaicans say suddenly. Let's dive in. Before we begin, I'd like to just state that the spellings of the words that are used in this video might seem a little unfamiliar to you, but the system that I used is the Cassidy JLU system of writing. That is an actual Jamaican alphabet and writing system. If you are unfamiliar with that, there's a video on this page that gives a little overview of it. So if you'd like to get yourself familiar with that, please go and watch that video. But the spellings here might be a little unfamiliar, and that is why. So just putting that out there so that you don't post in the comments that I know so it's spelled. But anyway, let's get right into it. So 15 different ways Jamaicans say suddenly. Boops, braps, baps. As me look, see it now? By time me go so. This one is sometimes used alone, but Jamaicans get creative with what comes after it. So it can be by time me go so boops, by time me go so baps, by time me go so. There are so many variations that can come after this, and usually there are some creative ways. All of a sudden, all pan a sudden, two twos, bragadaps, as me quint, just so. Same time, foops, sudden. Now, those were 15 different ways that Jamaicans can say suddenly. Let's practice. Let's look at some examples of how these would be used in sentences. So, me daddy I mind my own business. All of a sudden, this girl start call up my name. This translates to, I was there minding my business. Suddenly, this girl started saying something about me, or started calling my name. As me tap out so, baps, the rain start fall. This translates to, as soon as I stepped out, it started raining. Him done the race in a bragadaps. This translates to, he won the race in record time, or he was very fast. Now here is your assignment. Are there any other ways that Jamaicans say suddenly? Please write them in the comment section below. Also, if any of these 15 ways are unfamiliar to you, please also write in the comment section which words you have never heard or never used, because bragadaps was actually new for me. Thank you so much for attending class today, and I'll see you in the next one. That takes us to the end of this lesson. Thank you so much for listening. Please like, share, and subscribe. And please hit that notification bell so that you may be notified every time when I upload a video. I try to upload every other day and sometimes even every day. So please hit that notification bell because that would be very helpful. Also, please follow me on Instagram for daily Jamaican Patois vocabulary. Are the bell that? Class done, you know. Take care of yourself. Zine.